Hi, it's Tom Grosh from Grosh's Lawn Service. We finished topping it off now. We wasn't satisfied with the earlier part of it. It's just a little too deep. We thought somebody didn't know it, end up putting a mower in there accidentally or walking it accidentally. This way it's still, this gives us enough room to put, we're going to put some 57s on top of that yet, and then topsoil, seed it and all that, but we're going to see here if it settles any. If so, why it's open, go ahead and add some more rock to it. My gut feeling is it's not, because we put some very big large rock down in there, as big as the tractor would handle, so that's about all we could do. And then got them all wedged in there, and then took some of the littler ones and put them in there, help wedge them in between the big ones, so that way try to make this as sound as we can. So this is a sinkhole here in Washington County, Maryland, Clear Spring, Maryland area. You can hear the water in the background flowing. There's a stream nearby. If you need help with the project, contact me at tom@grosheslawnservice.com is our email, or visit our website at grosheslawnservice.com. This is Tom Grosh from Grosh's Lawn Service. Have a wonderful day. Bye.